Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to share exactly how much capital you need to start investing and the beginner's guide to position sizing, risk management, and a consistently growing account using the momentum options trading system. Now, it's really important before you ever start trading that you understand your goals. Why are you trading in the first place? And really, there's only one answer to this question: to make money. But there are different time horizons. What are your goals in trading? Are you trying to make income? Are you trying to grow? Are you saving for retirement? So what interests you about trading, investing in the first place? Try to define your goals very clearly. Are you trying to make additional income, replace your 9 to 5? Are you saving for your future? Are you planning for retirement? Are you trying to protect your wealth against inflation during retirement? Whatever it is, it's really important that you understand your goals and you clearly define them. But you always remember the number one rule of trading: to make money. That's the only reason that we do this. Now, how do profitable traders achieve this goal? Well, we only trade when it is very clear that the chances of making money are high and the potential reward for that particular investment greatly outweighs the risk. We do not trade for fun or just to stay busy. We trade to make money. That's the only reason. And the best traders learn to let the most profitable opportunities come to them. Number two, we always properly size our positions relative to the value in our account. We understand that consistency is key to growth and that improper risk management is tantamount to gambling. If you throw all of your money into a trade and it doesn't work out and you lose all of your money, you are not trading, you are gambling. You might as well have gone to Vegas and put it on red or black. It's the same thing. You need to have a clear set of rules, a clear risk management strategy to define your trade execution, or you are gambling. It's really important, number three, that you follow your rules for execution without hesitation. There should be no ifs, ands, or buts. There should be no emotion in your trading. You should be following your system to the letter without hesitation, without any emotional involvement. Consistency is key to profitable trading. Now, profitable trading doesn't mean that you have to be right about direction each and every time. It does mean that you're going to be forced to following a strict set of rules according to your strategy, and you have to follow those rules without hesitation in order to bring consistency to your execution. Now, the momentum options trading system offers traders and investors looking to enter long positions on call or put options or stock trades an 88% win rate and an average closing stock trade of 4.5% returns. Now, using options, we're effectively able to compound these results by a factor of 10 or more with an average closing option trade of 50% returns. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, if you were to take 100 trades, you could expect that about 88 of them would be winners with an average closing trade of 50% returns. And 12 of those trades would lose about 20%. Now, we recommend that you start with at least $5,000, and to minimize your risk with the system, we recommend that you do not enter any one trade with more than 5% of your total account value. Now, we target options between $1.25 and $2 for day trades and $2 and $2.75 for swing trades. Now, keep in mind, these numbers are times by 100 simply because that's the way options are priced. So we're talking about $125 to $200 options and $200 to $275 options for swing trades. Now, this is going to allow you to take many chances, even with a $5,000 account, and allow you to scale your growth as you develop consistency with the system. Now, if you're starting with just a $5,000 account, we're going to recommend that your option trade size is about $250. And your goal should be to target this 88% win rate. The better you get at executing the system efficiently, the closer you'll get to targeting that 88% number, and the closer or the higher you'll have on your winners. So the greater returns you'll have on your winners and the smaller losses you'll have on your losers. The goal is to target these results. And if you are able to, then we're talking that over the course of 25 trades, you will have you'll have a 50% return on your entire account value, actually more than that. And at this point, it will be time to adjust the value you say you have in your account so that you can scale your growth. Now, once you have a $7,600 account, you're going to be looking to enter trades that are about $380. Over the course of another 25 trades, you should expect your total account value to be over $11,500, meaning your account over the course of 50 trades will have more than doubled. Now, you don't need to risk it all to grow your account. You just need a strategy that helps you achieve consistent returns and is scalable, because consistency in trading is key. So we keep it simple in our trading. We trade the same set of stocks week after week, because the truth is you just need a couple of A+ trading setups per week to generate amazing consistent income from trading. And it's really important that you learn how to wait for the best setups, let them come to you, because the truth in trading is patience pays. So if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Please check out the webinar and the website. All right, take care.